Hi there. One of the ways that you can help regulate your nervous system is by doing a quick body scan for safety. So that's what I'm going to lead you through today. If you're new here, my name is Asha Wilkerson, and I am a healing guide for Black women and women of color. I help you return to your intuition, yourself, and your ancestors. All right, let's get started. I invite you to close or lower your eyes. And I guess I should have asked you to take a seat before we got started, but take a seat and then close or lower your eyes. You could be seated in a chair or on a sofa and just start to notice your breath. Maybe take some inhales in through your nose and out through your mouth. With each exhale out, notice how your shoulders drop. Notice how you begin to just come back in your body. You don't have to fix or judge anything that you see or experience. One of the reasons that we carry stress sometimes and that we feel wired is because we're not actually listening to what our body is telling us. And if we're not attuned to the subtle communication with our bodies will begin to speak louder and louder until we don't have a choice but to pay attention. And in our world that is so busy, so filled with noise, sometimes it takes some effort to see what's going on. So today's body scan is going to guide you from head to toe into your body so you can just see what you notice. So in this practice, keep inhaling in through your nose and out through your mouth. And begin to focus your intention and your attention to the crown of your head. Notice at the very top as you breathe in, what you feel. Notice what's going on as you exhale. Notice any sensations, any pain, any tingling, any energy that feels good. Just notice what you're feeling at the top of your head. On your next exhale, drop your attention down to your third eye, the space that's right between your eyebrows and the middle of your forehead. This is a space where we connect to our intuition. Inhale in, exhale out. Just see what you notice. Try to relax the muscles between your eyebrows. Is there any tension there? Maybe it feels like emptiness. Maybe there's a connection that has a message. On your next exhale out, drop your attention into your throat. Inhale in, exhale out. Relax the muscles in the front of your throat and the back of your neck. Relax the muscles in your jaw. Just notice what you feel. This is your throat chakra area. And this is often the place where you speak out, literally and figuratively, where you share your identity with the world. Sometimes people feel some kind of a block. Maybe you feel like you need to swallow or cough, and that can be a message to you that there's something that needs to be shared or something that you're having trouble sharing. Or maybe it's wide open, feels like lots of energy. Just notice what you feel. When you breathe out again, relax your shoulders. Let them fall away from your ears down towards the floor. And drop your attention into your chest, into your heart chakra. Relax the muscles around your chest and your upper back. And again, begin to notice what sensations are present, what thoughts come up when you focus your attention to your heart chakra. Maybe you feel your heart racing and you didn't notice it before. Maybe you feel your heart rate slow down and you feel a sense of calm or peace come over you. Remember, you're not judging what comes up, you're just noticing. You're creating an opportunity to tune in and to see what's happening. On your next breath out, drop your attention down into your solar plexus. That's the space right below your rib cage. It's often where we feel anxiety or butterflies, but also confidence. Just begin to notice whether there's any tightness or tension or even expansion right under your ribs and the upper part of your torso. Notice how it feels. Notice any thoughts that come up, any messages that maybe feel like they're coming out of nowhere. All of it is your body's way of communicating with you. So try not to dismiss anything. Just take it all in. On your next breath out, bring your attention down into your sacral chakra, which is 2 inches behind your belly button and 2 inches down. According to our chakra system, this is the place where we derive pleasure, but not just in the sensual or sexual sense, but also just satisfaction. We learn what we like, what we dislike. So try to relax the muscles in the lower part of your abdomen, the muscles around your hips, and see what you notice. You might feel something or sense something. You might hear a song or see a word. But also notice if you don't see or feel or sense. And don't judge it, just notice it. It's all information. And now, on your next breath out, bring your attention down to your root chakra that's just below your tailbone. Try to relax the muscles again in your hips and your thighs and your glutes and the lower part of your body. Remember that you are anchored, you are planted to the seat that you're sitting in, to the floor that you're sitting on. And notice what you feel around your root chakra. Any information you receive is valuable information, and it doesn't have to make sense right now. You can file it away, come back to it later. And now I just want you to notice what areas of your body are a little more lit up. They have a little more energy, a little more sensation than other areas. And just notice what you're feeling. And maybe ask it a question. You can ask, okay, what are you here to tell me? For instance, I have a pain in the lower right side of my back, kind of right above my hip. And I didn't notice it when I woke up. So now I'm asking, what do I need to know? What are you here to remind me of, to tell me? Let your body be your guide for what you need to pay attention to. And you can just say, I see you, I acknowledge you, thank you for speaking to me. I'm taking it all in. And then you get to decide what to do next. You get to decide what your body needs. You get to decide how to respond to the messages, but you've already taken the right first step, which is tuning in. So to close our body scan, we're going to take 3 deep inhales in through the nose and out through the mouth. Begin your first inhale. Bring the air all the way in, up to the crown of your head, maybe sitting a little taller, stretching in. And exhale out. Push the air down all the way through your body, from your throat to your chest, to your abdomen, through your hips, down your thighs, down the lower part of your legs, and out through the bottoms of your feet into the earth below you. One more time. Inhale in, expand your chest. And exhale out, let your shoulders drop, let your body relax as you breathe out and down into the earth. One more time. Inhale in, connecting again with your body. And exhale out, releasing any remaining tension and giving it to the earth to transmute into a different kind of energy. You can slowly bring your attention back into the room. Maybe gently flutter your eyes open. Wiggle your fingers or your toes. And just see how you feel. This is the first step, or a great step, in terms of reconnecting with yourself. We talk all the time about regulating our nervous system, but we don't really know what that means. So this is a practice that you can use when you feel dysregulated. You can do this at night before you go to bed. You can do it at any point in time when you need to just drop into your body and connect. Your body has so much information, and when we don't listen, it begins to scream louder and louder and louder. We get sick, we get pains, we get stiff, we get all kinds of things going on. And the way to solve those problems is to tune in and then to take action based on what you learned. So if this video helped you today, please like and subscribe. I will post more of these. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I will see you soon. Ciao, ciao.